Let's bring you some new information around Manchester United and the future ownership of the club tonight. We can tell you that Sheikh Jassim has made another increased bid to buy them.
Manchester United, one of the most iconic football clubs in the world, could be on the verge of a seismic transformation. A Qatari billionaire has reportedly submitted a jaw-dropping $12 billion bid to acquire the club, marking what could be the most expensive takeover in sports history. This bid, if successful, could signal a new chapter for the club, which has experienced fluctuating fortunes both on and off the pitch in recent years. The Qatari billionaire behind the monumental offer has remained unnamed at the time of writing, but reports suggest that the bid is backed by substantial financial resources linked to the Gulf state. The $12 billion valuation reflects Manchester United's enduring global appeal, commercial success, and potential for growth. Manchester United, owned by the Glazer family since 2005, has been a consistent topic of debate among fans regarding the owner's handling of the club's finances and priorities. The Glazers' leveraged buyout saddled the club with significant debt, a point of contention for years. Now, the Qatari bid could provide an opportunity to wipe the slate clean and reposition the club for long-term success. Manchester United's allure extends far beyond football. With a worldwide fan base of over 1 billion, a history adorned with trophies, and an unrivaled brand, the club is a prized asset in global sports. The Qatari interest in the club is seen as part of a broader strategy to expand the Gulf state's influence in the world of football. Qatar has already made a significant impact in the sport, hosting the 2022 FIFA World Cup and owning Paris Saint-Germain through Qatar Sports Investments QSI. By acquiring Manchester United, Qatar would secure a foothold in the Premier League, the most lucrative and widely watched football competition. The potential for commercial partnerships, sponsorships, and the ability to elevate the club to new heights makes this investment a strategic. One of the most anticipated outcomes would be the eradication of the club's debt, which has hampered its ability to compete financially with rivals like Manchester City and Paris Saint-Germain. The injection of Qatari wealth could pave the way for substantial investments in infrastructure, such as the redevelopment of Old Trafford and the training facilities. A Qatari-owned Manchester United could become a major player in the transfer market. With the financial backing to compete with the likes of City and PSG, United could attract the best talents in the world, re-establishing themselves as perennial title contenders. The potential takeover may also lead to changes in the club's management structure. The Glazers' departure could usher in a more transparent and fan-focused ownership model, addressing long-standing concerns among supporters. Manchester United's reach could expand further into untapped markets, securing the club's position as a leader in the footballing world. The news of the $12 billion bid has sparked mixed reactions among Manchester United supporters. Many fans see this as a long-awaited opportunity to rid the club of the Glazer family, whose tenure has often been criticized for prioritizing profits over footballing success. However, concerns about Qatar's human rights record and its influence on global sports have also been raised. Critics worry that the acquisition might further blur the lines between sports and geopolitics, turning clubs into instruments of soft power for wealthy states. This potential takeover reflects a broader trend in football, where state-backed entities and billionaires are reshaping the competitive landscape. Newcastle United's recent acquisition by Saudi Arabia's Public Investment Fund and Qatar's ownership of PSG demonstrate the growing influence of Gulf states in the sport. While such investments can lead to immediate success, they also raise questions about fair competition, financial sustainability, and the role of independent governance in football. Manchester United, as one of the most storied clubs in history, could become a focal point of this ongoing debate. The $12 billion bid is currently under review, with financial experts and football analysts keeping a close eye on developments. The Glazers, who have been open to selling the club at the right price, are likely to weigh this offer against other bids, including those from British billionaire Sir Jim Ratcliffe and other potential suitors. For Manchester United fans, the future is both exciting and uncertain. A Qatari takeover could usher in a golden era of investment and success, but it also comes with ethical and competitive considerations. As the world watches, Manchester United stands at the crossroads of tradition and transformation, ready to write the next chapter in its illustrious history. Whether this deal will reshape the footballing landscape or merely continue the sport's shift towards mega-rich ownership remains to be seen. One thing is certain, Manchester United's journey in the coming years will be anything but ordinary.